Yes, sir.
Okay, it's a beautiful story which was shared by my teacher, and I want the same story. I want you all to hear. Okay, am I audible to you all properly?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, great, great. Okay, okay. First of all, a very happy Teachers' Day to everybody, because teacher, we all are a teacher in somewhere of life, right? So our first teacher is our mother. Our mother is our first teacher. So mother, father, then with the subject teachers come, right? Otherwise, in life also, we can become a teacher in any way. Sometimes when we help our friends, when we give a good suggestion to someone, right? That time also it can be a we can become a teacher in guiding someone. So teacher means somebody who guides someone in a proper way, okay, in a good direction, so that this particular person can do well in life, do something, be an example. Otherwise, life would be life would be useless. Life would be how the life would be learned. Life would be like having just you're born, you're eating, sleeping, making money, but what that is not all life. Life has more meaning to it, right? Life can be always good when you have your life for someone else, when you help someone. Okay, so the story of today's story I will tell. The story is about one man. I'll tell you, he was very frustrated man. He was not happy with his life at all. Okay, so uh, is somebody my voice is not audible to all? Please check.
It's
Yes,
audible.
sir, you are audible.
Audible. Okay,
Audible, sir.
okay, it seems like if somebody who is not able to hear, we can see, check again. Okay, this man was so much frustrated, and one prasada to eat. And this man, while every time he wanted to eat the prasada, one small rat used to come and take away that prasada away. The rat was not letting him to eat that prasada. So again, he went back to temple. He got again the prasada. He bought it there, and when he was about to eat again, when he keeps the prasada on the temple, no, the rat will come. Now there is a temple in Rajasthan. There is a temple in Rajasthan where the temple is full of rats, and people used to worship, because as you know, just now we have completed the Ganesh Chaturthi, right? And uh, rat is rat we call Vahana of Ganesha. So it signifies, when you see Ganesha, it signifies the entire structure of Ganesha signifies something with the life. Like for example, Ganesha, they have a big ear. So Ganesha have a big ear means, that means you should listen to everybody. You should always listen to everyone. Listening is very important, right? So even Ganesha, has a rat as a vahana. Now rat is nothing but it is a desires. Rat is a it represent a desire. Desire means something ki, if I get something I'll be happy. If I'll get good marks I'll be happy. If I get out of in science I'll be happy, or if I'll get out of in maths I'll be happy. So these desires should be always kept small. That's why the size of a rat in a Ganesha, it is small. So, you should always keep your desire very small. Okay. If the desire is big, it will always hurt you. So desire should be always kept. That is the reason the rat. Now this person was going and bringing food to eat, and every time the rat is taking away. Now the man became so angry. He was so frustrated, no, and he came to temple. He got so angry, and he went to temple, and he started, complaining to God. God, I have so much problem in life. I have come to you, just to um, have prasada and blessing from you. But again, even this is not happening, right? So So he said, now today I will anyhow, I will go and I'll tell everything to the God. No, it was a long time years ago, 50, 500 years ago. So people can talk to God also that time, right? So he went away. That time there was no vehicle, so he was walking, and while walking, he had to cross. He had to cross mountains, Himalayas, rivers, everything. Now, yeah, yeah, Bhavna, please mute somebody who has unmuted. Now, while he was traveling, he felt very tired. He felt very tired, and he saw one good, palace. He saw one good palace. People were so rich, and he said, he went there and he asked, I'm going to meet God, and I have few questions in my mind. Can you let me spend my night in your palace? The king said, yes, okay, you can stay here for a night, but you need to help me. And that person said, yes, yes, of course I'll help. So he said, what help do you want from me? So the king said, see boy, I have lots of money, I have good palace, and I have only one daughter. That means my princess, okay, she cannot see, she is blind. She cannot see, she is blind. So when will my daughter, means my princess, will able to see? Can you ask the same thing to the God? I mean, God means it was the Buddha. It is a story from the Buddha. Okay. So he said, can you ask Lord Buddha why my daughter is not able to see, and when my daughter will able to see? He said, okay, okay, because I'll be going to speak with Lord Buddha. So it's one question and my one question, two questions we will have. That's okay. That's no problem. Okay, then he agreed, and next day he went. Okay, and when he went next day, he had to cross the river. River was so big, and he had to cross the river. Okay, and while crossing the river, he said there was one tortoise, big tortoise. Tortoise, they used to live for around 500 or 1,000 years. They have a long lifespan. So the person said, can you help me to cross the river to the other side, because the other side I can go and climb the mountain where I can reach to Lord Buddha, and I have questions in my mind which I need to ask. So so the tortoise said, you are going to meet Lord Buddha, then please help me, because I've been living this life as a tortoise for more than 500 to 1,000 years, and I always wanted to become a dragon. So can you just ask Lord Buddha, when can I become a dragon? So every time there is a span of life. So every time the organism comes from, to the superior level of life. Like for example, the life of ants are very small, the unit life of ants. But when the life of, elephant, tiger, that is all the cycle will come. And people say human life is one of the superior life. So we are blessed to become a human, right? So even after any person who dies, they have to take the another birth. The another birth he can become a monkey, he can become a dog, he can become anything. So that's why we should respect all animals. I mean, not respect all animals, I mean respect life, because life is everywhere, right? Even we should respect the plant that gives leaves, flower, fruits. We should not pluck unnecessarily, right? Because it has life. Okay, so that person, he had a word with tortoise. So the tortoise said, I already have two questions. So one question I will take yours. So I will have three questions in my mind. So I will go to Lord Buddha and I'll ask the question. Okay. So are you enjoying the story, or is it becoming boring for you all children? Yes, no?
Enjoying, sir.
Okay, great. So there is one more. Now he had crossed the river. So when he had crossed the river, Lord Buddha and everybody, big people, I mean, great people, they used to they used to stay in the Himalaya, big in the Himalayas. And in the Himalayas, he had to cross, but the snow was not letting him to travel across the Himalayas. So while traveling, he was crossing the Himalayas. He was slipping again and again. So there he found a very old sage. So the old sage has a stick. He said, "Where do you want to go? I can help you, but you should also help me." So the other person said, "Yes, I know you are going to meet Lord Buddha, and I'm the great magician. I'm a very big magician. I'm a very big magician, and I can let you reach to that particular place. But why do you want to go and meet Lord Buddha?" So he said, "I have my own question, because I was not happy with life, and I was not able to eat a few things every time the animals were taking away. And while traveling, I met one king who had a blind princess who could not see. The question is there. Again, a tortoise, the old tortoise is there. Again, the old tortoise also wanted to become a dragon, but he is having a very miserable life for last more than 500 years. So I have three questions to ask to Lord Buddha." So the old man said, the magician, he said, "Okay, I will help you to reach there, but you will help me by asking question to Lord Buddha from my end also." He said, "Okay, because I'll be going, there will be no point, like I'll be asking 2-3 questions, so one question of yours can be also included." So he said, "See, boy, I wanted to reach to heaven. I wanted to reach heaven. I'm already more than 100 years old. I was a great magician one time. You can see this stick I'm holding. This is a magician stick, and I can do anything in the world." So he said, "I wanted to reach to heaven. I've been trying again and again to reach heaven, but I'm not able to reach to heaven. Now, if you'll reach there, please ask Lord Buddha why I'm not able to reach to heaven." Okay. So he said, "Okay, fine, I'll go and I'll ask the question to Lord Buddha." Okay. So finally, the person reaches to the heaven in the Himalayas top, where the Lord Buddha was seated. Lord Buddha was deep meditation, and everybody was there on the queue, with lots of questions. So everybody was going, meeting Lord Buddha, and the Lord Buddha was giving suggestion to it. This is how you have to do. Now, before he was about to reach Lord Buddha, so the attendant of Lord Buddha, he said, everybody is supposed to ask only 3 questions. So only 3 questions you can ask. Right? Now that person was so confused. I have 4 questions. If I'll not ask my question, then I will be asking the other 3 questions. And because I travel long way to ask my question, what to do? So he was so confused. What should I do? Should I tell my question or not? Then he realized that that princess is so young. If she will not see, she will not see the life, the entire. So again, when he went, so your tortoise was also very old tortoise. He's been struggling life to become a dragon once upon a time, so that he can become a dragon. He's been living for more than 500 years. So he's been struggling for more than 500 years, right? So he's been struggling. So tortoise question also I should ask. Then, yeah, Bhavna, you can give permission to record everybody, whoever wants to record. Okay. And now the last question was with the magician, the old magician. He said, the old magician is so old, and his life is become, trapped in the old body. In the old body, the body becomes old. Then the soul is there inside the body, and the body cannot do many things. So that time the life becomes very miserable. So the old man, the life for the old man was also miserable. He is planning, he is trying to reach, he's planning to reach the heaven, but he can't, right? So, so he said the old man question is also important. So he realized now 3 questions of others are more important than my question. My question is nothing in front of them. They have spent 500 years, they have lived all life. There is a young princess who has a full life to live, and she is blind, she cannot see life. So he said, my question is so small that I could not eat prasada just because the rat was taking away the prasada. So that is not a big question. So I can manage that. Food is okay, I can manage. But the questions of the other 3 is more important. So he said, okay, I will ask the other 3 questions, question of the princess, the tortoise, and the old magician. Okay. So he went to Lord Buddha and he said, Lord Buddha, I'm coming to meet you with the 3 questions of the people whom I met on the way. So he said, the princess is blind and she is such a beautiful princess. When will the princess will be able to see? So the Lord Buddha, he said, whenever the princess will meet the right prince, whenever the princess will meet the right prince, whenever the princess will meet the right prince, the princess will be able to see. So till then, the princess will be blind, right? Then he said, yes, thank you, Lord Buddha. What about the tortoise? Tortoise was there, and he cannot become a dragon. It's been so long, 5,000, more than 500 years, he cannot become a dragon. So Lord Buddha said, because the tortoise is not leaving the shell. So tortoise, they have a hard shell, no? Until and unless you leave the one that is there, okay, the comfort zone, that is the hard shell of the tortoise, until the tortoise will come out of the shell, tortoise will not be able to become a dragon. So in life, we should always take a risk, okay? And we cannot do brilliant. So every time we need to take a risk in life. So he said, tell tortoise to come out of the shell and he will definitely become a dragon, right? Okay. Last question, Lord Buddha. The last question is the magician who is there in the mountain, and the magician is trying to reach heaven, but he's not able to reach heaven. Why? So he said, Lord Buddha said, he has that magician stick. He has the magician stick. The magician stick is not letting him to reach heaven. Tell the magician to leave the stick. Then only he can reach heaven. Okay. So he heard, he got the answer, and he went back. He said, thank you, Lord Buddha. Thank you so much. So when he went back, he met the magician. He said, magician, you have to leave the stick, then only you can reach the heaven. So the magician said, oh my God, I've been so long holding the stick. I should have thrown the stick. So we have to, so this stick has no use to me. You keep this stick. So that he gave the stick to the young boy. And then ultimately the light, lit it, and he was taken to heaven with a divine light. Okay. And again, while crossing the river, the tortoise was waiting for him. He said to tortoise, you need to leave the shell and come out. Then only you will become a dragon. So you should always come out of the comfort zone. Okay. If you'll always be in a comfort zone, you will never learn something, or you will never be skillful. So the tortoise, so entire 500 years I was in this shell, was thinking that if I'll come out of the shell, what will happen? So now, the moment he came out of the shell, the tortoise got a wings, the dragons, they have a wings. So in the old times, the tortoise turned into, we call metamorphosed into a dragon. And he said, thank you. And he gave the shell to him. And while returning, again he came back to the palace. So he came back to the palace. So the king was so happy, and the king, he started calling him, come here, come here. The moment you met us, my princess started seeing, you know. Oh, then the boy realized, oh, and the princess wanted to see you, because the moment you entered, I could see. So the boy realized the Lord Buddha had told that whenever the princess will meet the soulmate, she will be able to see. So here the princess meets the boy, and the entire life of the boy changes. Okay. Okay. Now, who can tell me the moral of the story? Who can tell me the moral of the story? I request everybody to turn on the video, and who can tell the moral of the story? Bhavna, take one screenshot of the video when everybody is online. Video. Who can tell the moral of the story if you have heard? Did you enjoy the story? What did you learn from the story? Bhavna, take the screenshot of all the students when they are showing the face, when the video is on. Anybody would like to tell the moral of the story? What exactly is the story? Okay, those who cannot, it's fine. What is the moral of the story? Take the screenshot. Everybody take the screenshot and share it to me later. So the moral of the story is, am I audible to you all? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the moral of the story is what, children? When, you know, the man had the own question for his own life, right? But when he started helping others, his life also changed. Yes or no? So our life will be full of gratitude, okay, and will be blessed only and only when we help others. So more you help people, more you'll get the blessings from the God, right? So we should not be selfish. So if you become a selfish in life, the entire life will be very tough, because selfish people, they will never enjoy the life, right? So if you want to become have a good life ahead, you should always help people. You should not be selfish, because more you help, your happiness will become double. It will go 10 times, right? When you help people, when you respect your elders, okay, this is how your life will become more beautiful, right? Okay, this is a story told by my teacher when I was in school, and the same story I'm sharing to you. So there was many stories which had really changed my life. So this is one of the important story which had really changed my life, and I want you all to have this purpose in life, have a value in life, have a human value in life, yeah? Not to become a selfish, you know. Okay, great. That is a very good thing. Nice to see you all. And anybody who would like to present anything for teachers, if any teachers have joined, if not also.
No teacher have joined.
No
Sir,
problem.
no teacher have joined.
They might be busy. So I'm there. So who will, yeah, Maruti was supposed to share something. Then again we have.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Sir, I want to
Yes.
present one poem. It is in Marathi.
Mhm.
Can I?
Present. Yes.
Okay. Can I am audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible. Present. Audible.
So I am presenting one poem. It is in Marathi. कधी केली आम्हाला शिक्षा, कधी केली आम्हाला शिक्षा, पण नाही मागू दिली भिक्षा. कधी केली आम्हाला शिक्षा, पण नाही मागू दिली भिक्षा. ही व्यक्तीच वेगळी आहे, ज्यांनी नाही केली कधी निराशा. ही व्यक्तीच वेगळी आहे, ज्यांनी नाही केली कधी निराशा. आम्ही कोण होतो तुमच्यासाठी? आम्ही कोण होतो तुमच्यासाठी? फक्त शिक्षण देऊन भागले असते. आम्ही कोण होतो तुमच्यासाठी? फक्त शिक्षण देऊन भागले असते. का जीवाचे रान केले आम्हाला घडवण्यासाठी? का जीवाचे रान केले आम्हाला घडवण्यासाठी? आई प्रेम देते जिंकल्यावर. आई प्रेम देते जिंकल्यावर. बाबा समज देतात वाईट वागल्यावर. हा तर ईश्वरच म्हणावा, जो प्रेम आणि समजही देतो प्रत्येक वळणावर. हा तर ईश्वरच म्हणावा, जो प्रेम आणि समजही देतो प्रत्येक वळणावर. सदैव आमच्यासाठी मार्गदर्शक. सदैव आमच्यासाठी मार्गदर्शक नाही, ज्ञानाचा प्रकाश लपविला. सूर्य बनन विद्येचा काय? सूर्य बनन विद्येचा काय? मार्गदर्शक काय? मार्गच आमचा झाला. मार्गच आमचा झाला. कोणी न मोठे तुमच्यासाठी. कोणी न मोठे तुमच्यासाठी. कोणीच नाही लहान. केला नाही भेदभाव. दिली आणि विद्या आणि झाले महान. माहित आहे आम्हाला. माहित आहे आम्हाला. आम्ही सर्व मुलेच ना तुम्हाला. जन्म नाही दिला तर काय, पण जगण्याला आधार तर दिला. एका हातात दिली विद्येची मशाल, दुसऱ्या हातात दिली सत्याची ढाल. तरी म्हणतात नको हा मान. तरी म्हणतात नको हा मान. फक्त ओळख राहू द्या आमची. फक्त ओळख राहू द्या आमची. कसं हो विसरू अपयशाचा नाशकाला. कसं हो विसरू अपयशाच्या नाशकाला. विद्येच्या सागराला. आयुष्यातला हा प्रत्येक क्षण. आयुष्यातला हा प्रत्येक क्षण शिक्षकालाच आणि शिक्षकालाच.
Thank you so much, Maruti. Can you just, tell me in short in English or in Hindi about this poem? I can understand it is the gratitude towards the teacher. Yes, very good. Can you just tell me in English in short what exactly? Few
Yes, sir.
important lines.
It is telling that, sir, the teachers are our second parents, and that he is our one life partner, that who made our half life to our futures. This is
Agree.
that I want to tell from this poem.
Very good. Yes. Even for me also, I still remember my teachers, my school teachers, and okay, it seems the time is out, I think. So even my school teacher, I still remember my tuition teacher also. So I was very naughty. I didn't even like to study much. And I didn't wanted to do my homework. My maths homework was so pending. I never used to. So my friend used to help us, and we used to sit on the last bench. No? So I used to sit on the last bench. And my teacher used to always tell, you never used to do your homework. When you will complete your homework? So like that, he helped me out, and because of him only, I scored good marks in science and math. You see, so the subject which was not interested to me at all, later on I became a science teacher. So this is how the teacher plays a very important role in everybody's life, right? Very good, very nice. Thank you so much. Anybody else would like to share something?
Sir,
You
can
can
I?
share anything. Yes.
I am audible.
Yes, you're audible. Where is your screen? Yeah. You are coming on the video or not?
Sir.
Yes. Share.
Good morning, students and all the teachers. Today, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I am going to say a beautiful poem. All teachers, I happy that you are my teacher. I enjoy each lesson you teach. As my role model, you inspire me to dream and to work and to reach. With your kindness, you get my attention. Every day, you are planting a success or curiosity and motivational to know and to grow and succeed. You help me fulfill my potential. I am thankful for all that you done. I admire you each day, and I just wanted to say, as a teacher, you are a number one.
Very nice, Bilal. Very nice. I can see. Very nice. Thank you so much. See, I can see the children are so innovative these days. These days, when I was in my time, I was not able to operate the mobile even at the college time. So even at the college time, I was not able to do video call or something because I was not that good. But nowadays, the children of small class also, of class 2, 3, they are able to do recording. So the children are becoming more intelligent these days with the technology, knowledge. So we should always take all these good things and make our life better. Hmm? Very good. Thank you. Anybody else have anything in the mind to share? Take a screenshot, children, of maybe, I don't know how I'm looking. Take a screenshot so that we can keep as a remembrance. As a remembrance, we can keep. Take a screenshot and we can keep as a remembrance. Anything anybody has want to share?
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
sir,
Yes.
sir, can I present my speech which I have done, sir?
Yes, yes, of course.
Sir, it is in Hindi.
Open. It's okay. Hindi, English, Marathi, Bengali, again Telugu also, anything.
ओके सर स्कूल के पहले दिन जब हम स्कूल आए
Turn your
तो
video.
बोर्ड पर वेलकम
Better turn your video. Turn your video once. Turn your video so that I can present it. Turn your video on. Now say yes.
सर सर स्कूल के पहले दिन जब हम स्कूल आए तो बोर्ड पर वेलकम लिखते हो और कुछ बच्चे नाखुश होते हैं तो उन्हें हंसाते हो थोड़े महीनों या वर्षों के बाद जब पढ़ाते वक्त प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन बच्चों को न मिले तो थोड़ा नाराज हो जाते हो पर बच्चों को बिना डांटे सब कुछ अच्छे से समझा देते हो जब बच्चे अच्छे मूड में नहीं होते हैं उनका मूड अच्छा कर देते हो जब बच्चे अच्छे मूड में नहीं होते उनको हाईफाई देकर उनका मूड अच्छा कर देते हो जब हम शरारत करें या फिर झगड़ा हमारा साथ देते हो सर आप इतनी इम्यूनिटी कहाँ से लाते हो आप तो हमारे टीचर नहीं आप हमारे फ्रेंड हो जब हम किसी गलत मार्ग पर चले हमें अच्छा मार्ग दिखाने वाले आप ही हो और हर पल हमें अपना फ्यूचर दिखाते हो और रिसेस में हमारे साथ लंच भी करते हो जब हम बड़े हो जाए तब भी आप सबको ज्ञान बांटते हो सर आप इतना सारा ज्ञान कहाँ से लाते हो हमें कहते हो कि स्कूल रूल्स फॉलो करो और दूसरों को भी बताते चलो स्कूल रूल्स न फॉलो करने पर थोड़ा सा डांट देते हो एग्जाम के दिनों में जब हम थोड़ा घबरा जाए तो स्कूल के बाद एक्स्ट्रा क्लास लेते हो कोरोना की वजह से अब वर्चुअल क्लास हो रहे हैं कुछ बच्चों को मार्क्स कम चश्मों के नंबर बढ़ रहे हैं यह कोरोना की सीजन जल्दी से चली जाए और एक बार आपको हैप्पी टीचर्स डे थैंक यू सर
Wonderful, very nice poem written. Very good, very good, very good. Great. Yes, very good. Thank you so much, everybody. Anybody has anything to share? Anything, or
Sir,
shall
I was sharing that poem, na. And in that poem, the last line was there, na. The Pratyek Kshan Shikshakala. That means the every time in our school or any we are studying, that every one second is there for our teachers, is there for our respected all, and it is when we are studying that time we are thinking that our teachers, that he how he is teaching, how he teaches to us, and what he tells to us. That means every time in studying we have to think about our teacher, what he teaches, and we have to listen to him and we have to respect every time to him.
Very good, very good. All the teachers, they will be happy if they will see their children doing good things in life, right? And Maruti has truly stated, our 50% of the life is dedicated to teacher, because from the moment we are born till we are studying, suppose if you do your 10th, when you pass your 10th, you will be around 16 years, 15, 16. Then again, when you do your 12th, you will become 18 years. Then again, when you do your college or graduation, you will become like 24, 25. Then even when you do your master, then you will become 24. So around, if now the average lifespan of a person is around 70 years average. Okay, in 70 years, around 30 years, near to 30 years, we spend our time with our teachers and learning. So remaining 50% is our own life, how we, the learning, whatever we have learned is converted into the experience in the life that we put into real life experience, right? So whenever you have gratitude, you have a real true feeling and respect, divine will shower the
Sir,
so video you can you
sir,
want to share the video?
okay, sir, but the Bhavana have to give the permission to share.
Yeah, so Bhavna will give the permission. Let's see. Till then, till then he'll share the video. Anybody wants anything to share or talk?
She is not giving permission.
Okay. Bhavna, just check the permission for Om, because even she is not able to operate the Zoom. So first time we are doing the Zoom operating.
Sir, yes, sir, yes.
It's working now?
Yes, sir. So in this coming now, only HOTS can share in this meeting. Bhavana only can share.
Okay, no problem. You do one thing. You can share the video in the group, or you can share in WhatsApp to Bhavna, and Bhavna can present.
Okay, sir.
Share it to Bhavna. Bhavna will present. Or in the group. Okay. Okay, so we will see the video. Okay, Om. Group. Okay, Bhavna, can you present that video? Till then you can present. Till then you can. Then we can do it later. Yeah, there is a debate in school. So what we'll do, let it be, Bhavna. We'll end the session here itself. We have other programs also. So thank you, everybody. Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes only. Let's wait for a few minutes. It's okay. Prithviraj, just wait for a few minutes.
Sir, share.
Okay, so he'll put, no? She will put. Okay, anybody would like to sing a song? Anybody who would like to sing a song? We'll see. Today is a teacher's day, when the teacher will say somebody to sing a song, you have to sing a song. Today is my day. So in your day, in Children's Day, it's your day too. You can do it, right? Now I don't know who is it. With a bird at the jalebi. 2 jalebis are there.
Sir, Om.
Who is it? Om. Yes, Om. Now you have to sing one song.
Om
for me.
Mughal, sir.
Yes, Om Mughal, sing one song for me. Sing one song. Either song or you can tell your nursery rhyme. You remember your nursery rhyme?
No, sir.
You don't remember nursery rhyme? There is so many nursery rhymes. Twinkle, twinkle, Johnny, Johnny, or any of the Bollywood song.
Sir, I don't remember.
You don't remember? You can sing one Marathi song also.
Sir, only Bhavna is saying she only is not able to share.
Okay, so let it be. So we will end the session today here itself. Everybody have a wonderful life ahead. Take care of yourself, okay? And bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Happy